ringing of the ears. And I thought, okay, well then I started getting to where pills were getting stuck in my throat or food. And so that kind of concerned me, so I went to an ENT. There was no problem, not with my throat, not with the swallowing. And then I got referred to a GI doctor, and that doctor did perform an endoscopy. And after that, just a couple of days, I started having really bad chest pains. It just hurt all the time. I mean, it would just take my breath sometimes. I was feeling horrible from probably June until December. I slept all the time. I was sleeping 10 and 12 hours a day. Nobody knew how bad I felt. It's just like I had no energy. I could not get up and just do things. And I had my grandkids that I was, you know, doing things with and helping, you know, do things with them and taking care of them. Dr. Bastidas is absolutely amazing. The first test told him what I had. It was GERD. I had acid reflux that I never knew I had. I had no idea what it was. I honestly thought I had cancer because, you know, I didn't know what else it could be.
We discovered that she has a severe reflux. And then we proceed to do something that is called the laparoscopic Nissen funduplication.
He said, this is really bad. We've got to do surgery.
The problem with her was a functional problem. The sphincter, you know, the valve was not working. Then we had to recreate the valve. She's not going to have any acid that is going to go back to the esophagus or going back to the lungs. In the way she's not going to have more problems.
My energy is back. I'm able to do and go, and I'm pretty much back to the same old me. I praise him every day because he gave me my life back. And when I had my surgery, I know I'm going to tear up, I had my grandkids' picture. And I told him, I said, this is why I'm here. I want to get better. I want to get back to this. And he said, we will get you fixed. We will do this. And he is good at his word.